just gonna keep plowing forward. Good morning, friends. It's Monday morning and I'm off to work. And we're just heading into the last week before Christmas. Which is super exciting. I think we're getting close to having everything ready. The tree is trimmed. Most of the gifts are wrapped, some are still on their way. And it's going to be an awesome day today. So as I've been saying for the last probably 20 days is that I need to edit vlogs, and I'm editing vlogs. I actually do edit vlogs. And I think I'm about a week behind. So I think I'm working on the 10th right now, and today is the 20-something. No, today's the 19th, and I didn't vlog yesterday, so I'm kind of like running at about a week behind, which is good and bad. My goal is to have one uploaded every day, but then I do remember reading something that a writer once, I don't know, tweeted or something, and she said that she never publishes about things that are current and going on, current and real time. She always has like a lag or a time lapse, and I can't remember what the time lapse was, but anyway, I'm running at a week's time lapse here right now, and I'm trying to get caught up, maybe able to over the Christmas holidays, but I'm just gonna keep plowing forward. So I just wanted to let you know that even though you're seeing, well, you won't be seeing this on December 20th anyways, but I'm a week behind, but I am working on getting caught up.
The whole year, put you in the worst mood. It's hard sometimes that you are. When you hear the song, if you really listen, when you hear the song, it's a new edition. Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. The darkest of days, it's how we learn, how we grow. Driving the black
of the silence. All that I'm wishing for my friends. Break it.
What can I say? That's the way it was. That's the way it was. Where do you wanna go? Don't be in control. That's the way it was. That's the way it was. Make you lose control.
cut them all loose and then we're free. Please don't make sense. Look out. Can't stop the love and love. You know me. When I was stressed out, I won't cut that into pieces. Can't stop, cut that into pieces. I won't cut that into pieces. Can't stop. So impress out the neighbors.
Baby, take control now. Play that music too loud.
Let's behave. I don't need no reason.
Welcome to my house.
I won't. Can't stop.
Okay, so I totally screwed these shortbreads up. I was supposed to add half a cup of cornstarch and half a cup of icing sugar, and I guess I must have added a cup of icing sugar or half a cup of icing sugar, but when I went to put the ingredients away, the cornstarch wasn't opened, so there's no cornstarch. So when I was telling Kurt about how I should stick to buying food, but I really like baking it. Anyway, I was telling him that story, and then I left the cookies in the oven a little bit too long, and these are shortbreads, and I don't think they should be this brown. So I'm gonna throw the rest of the batch in and hope that they taste okay. It's actually pretty freaking funny. I think baking is so easy, and every time I do bake, I screw it up, so I guess I meant to vlog. The second batch turned out a little bit lighter, but not exactly sure how they're gonna taste given the absence of the cornstarch. I'll find out tomorrow.